Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your switch and a hotspot device. This is why we skip obvious setup. Power on the switch and open system settings right arrow internet settings. Choose the network or your phone's hotspot, then select it, but do not assume a normal login. Instead, use the connection test. The connection test can trigger the switch's hidden web view when a captive portal or redirect exists, which is exactly how you get a searchable browser to appear. Next, configure the hotspot so the switch shows the browser. On your phone or router, enable a captive portal page or use an app that injects a login/redirect. Alternatively, set the hotspot DNS to a non-standard address that forces a portal response. Once the hotspot is live, connect the switch and run internet right arrow connection test. When the portal or redirect is detected, the switch opens a minimal web view. Use that to reach a search engine page rather than the usual eShop or online login. Finally, once the web view is open, type your preferred search engine address and search normally. You can tap links, but navigation is limited. If nothing appears, make sure the hotspot's portal is active, then rerun connection test or reboot the switch and reconnect. If the captive portal method fails, try a different phone or router or temporarily disable VPNs on the hotspot device. One troubleshooting tip: if pages fail to load, toggle the hotspot's DNS and reinitiate the connection test to force the portal to reappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.